Okay, this is to help with 9.4 homework number 9. We have to find the common ratio in this geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, again, is a multiply or divide sequence, but technically it's probably better to think of it as a multiply, right? Because the common ratio is the number that you multiply by. So even if the sequence was, say, divide 3, then we would want to actually do the common ratio, which would be multiplied by 1/3. So even a division one, you're just multiplying by a fraction, right? So really here I have to figure out what number, and it's probably going to be a fraction that I'm multiplying by in this pattern. All right, so kind of a good trick if you really get stuck is to do common denominators. So if I write it as 3 over 1 or 2 over 1, I'm going to rewrite all of these terms with 6 as the numerator, right? And hopefully I'll be able to see the pattern then, right? So the first one, if I multiply by 3, that would be 27 sixths, top and bottom by 3. Take this one times 6, so we'd have 18 sixths. And then this one would be, let's see, multiply by 6 again, so it'd be 12 sixths, and then multiply this last one by 2 to give us 8 sixths. All right, so at this point, still not all that helpful. Like I can't really tell. Like I was hoping I'd be able to see like a fraction that I'd multiply by here to get us this next fraction. Um, but it seems kind of tough because, I want my denominator to be 1 and then my numerator, I'm not really sure what's going on there. So I guess another way to look at it would be these terms are getting smaller, right? These numbers are getting smaller, which means we must be multiplying by something less than 1, right? And this is 4.5. That's way more than 1. That's 1.5. So that's probably a good hint that our only choice is A. Okay, and I might just verify this. So I'm going to take 27 sixths times 2/3 and see if I get the next term of 18 sixths. So if we do this, that would be 54 over 18. Okay, and then if you divide by 3 on top and bottom, we get a 6 here. Divide this by 3, and you would get 18 there. So it looks like multiplying by 2/3 would be right. And we could keep going and check a couple more, but hopefully you'd see that that is the right ratio. So letter A, 2/3.